for coming back. Today I'm joining a Trash to Treasure challenge hosted by Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine and Heidi Samble from Heidi Samble DIY. If you have not checked out their channels yet, they're incredibly talented and so amazing. So I will link their channels down below as well as the playlist. And I hope you enjoy what I made out of a diaper changing station. I don't know, we'll see. Have a good day. So I picked up this diaper changing station for free from a neighbor and I decided to slap a coat of paint on it. I used just a sample can of that white paint from Home Depot and I painted really loosely. I didn't really want to cover it really nicely because I kind of wanted it to look worn and weathered in my backyard. So yeah. Next, I painted a layer of Waverly chalk paint in the colors Elephant as well as Moss. I wanted to know how these chalk paints hold up outside, so that's why I'm using them. Next, I dry distressed the edges, and then I went back and wet distressed the surfaces because I thought it would have a bigger impact on the look, which it did. Finally, I made a stencil with my Cricut to personalize it a bit and motivate myself because I'm a horrible gardener and I really want plants though, so need all the luck I can get. I sponge painted the stencil with 2 coats of that same white paint from the beginning. And I think the whole thing turned out pretty cool. This is how it turned out.